Hello friends, I am Dr. Madhukar Jadhav. In previous lecture, we have seen regarding performance of trickling filter, then various important components of trickling filter. In this lecture, we are going to study regarding advantages of high rate trickling filter, then types of high rate trickling filter, in that single stage trickling filter and two stage trickling filter. So starting with advantages of high rate trickling filter. Because of many drawbacks in low rate trickling filter, that is high initial cost, larger area, larger quantity of filter media, rate of loading is low. So due to these reasons, we can say the low rate trickling filters are not that much popular. Also, the experiment conducted on the trickling filter with increasing rate of sewage flow revealed the following important points. First one, contact surfaces continuously washed away with the effluent. Thinner biofilm is more efficient and supplies more continuous nutrients to the aerobic bacteria. The precipitation and biological coagulation of the dissolved and colloidal matter is more or less of the same degree as in normal rate filters. Fourth important point, there is a lesser oxidation of organic matter because of reduction in the contact period. The load on the secondary settling tank is increased as large quantity of underloaded putrescible organic matter reaches the secondary settling tank. The cost of construction and land required decreases with increasing the rate of filtration, and because of all above mentioned important reasons, the high rate trickling filter can be provided. Now for high rate trickling filter, the important points are better filtering media with high specific surface. Depth of the filter is reduced to 1.5 to 2 meter to obtain better aeration for high biological activity. Size of underdense is increased and slope is kept steeper. Increasing speed of rotation to 2 rpm. Then size of secondary settling tank is increased. So due to all these modifications, the trickling filter has better efficiency than the conventional trickling filter. Then types of high rate trickling filter, in that first one is a single stage filter. Filter may be single stage or two stage. Media depth of 0.9 to 2.5 meter have been used for high rate filter with an optimum range of 1.5 to 2 meter for first stage and 1 to 2 meter for second stage of high rate trickling filter. Single stage unit consists of primary settling tank, the filter, secondary settling and recirculation facilities. Settling before recirculation is carried out either in primary or secondary clarifier. So in case of single stage filter, the recirculation is done by these three techniques. First one, this is primary sedimentation, this is secondary sedimentation, and this is the trickling filter. So whatever the sludge is there, it is brought before the primary sedimentation, and then sludge and sewage directly coming to the primary sedimentation. So this is the first arrangement of recirculation. This is the second arrangement of recirculation. This is PST, this is SST, and this is the trickling filter. Sludge is brought here, and then whatever the sewage from PST and the sludge, they are applied on the trickling filter. And the third arrangement is, this is PST, this is SST, and this is the trickling filter, and the recirculation is applied like this. Okay, then next slide. Two-stage filter. Two-stage filter consists of two filters in series with primary settling tank and intermediate settling tank, which may be omitted in certain cases, and final settling tank. recirculation facilities are provided for each filter. The effluent from first stage filter is applied to the second stage filter either after settlement or without settlement. Now in this two stage filter, the recirculation is done like this. First one, this is the primary sedimentation tank, this is first stage trickling filter, and this is second stage trickling filter, and this is the secondary sedimentation tank. So recirculation is done like this, or it can be also done like this. So this is the first arrangement. In case of second arrangement, recirculation is done. This is R1 after first trickling filter, and it is brought before the first trickling filter, and here after the second stage, and it is again brought here. And the third arrangement is somewhat like this. R1, this is the first trickling filter, this is one sedimentation tank, and after that recirculation R1 is done like this, and this is the second trickling filter, and this is secondary sedimentation tank, and the recirculation is done like this. So in this way, in case of a single stage trickling filter and two stage trickling filter, the recirculation is done properly so that the maximum efficiency can be achieved from both the filters. So this is all about single stage trickling filter and two stage trickling filter. So this is enough in this lecture. Thank you.